In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about Ocean Coral Spring, Jamaica, followed by an honest, unbiased review. Stay until the end to see if this resort truly lives up to expectations. Ocean Coral Spring is a family-friendly, all-inclusive retreat in Trelawney, Jamaica, set along a white sand beach. It features spacious rooms, multiple pools, a lazy river, and diverse dining options. Guests can enjoy a full entertainment program, a kids club, water sports, and access to the Disucss Spa Center. To begin, we'll take a look at the accommodations. The Ocean Coral Spring offers a range of elegant accommodations designed for different types of travelers, whether families, couples, or those looking for a little extra luxury. Each suite features stylish interiors, modern amenities, and a layout that balances comfort and relaxation. Junior suites come with a king-size or 2 full-size beds, a sitting area with a sofa bed, and a private balcony or terrace. The garden view option offers peaceful views of lush greenery, while the pool view overlooks the resort's vibrant pool areas. The ocean view option provides stunning views of the Caribbean, perfect for waking up to the sound of waves. Families will appreciate the Daisy Family Junior Suite, which is located next to the water park. Designed for family trips, it includes a bedroom, a living area with a sofa bed, and a terrace. With space for up to 5 people, it's an ideal choice for families traveling with kids. The Swim Up Junior Suite adds an extra level of convenience, providing direct access to the pool from your terrace. This suite includes a spacious bedroom, a sitting area with a sofa bed, and a whirlpool bath. For a more elevated experience, Privileged Junior Suites present exclusive services and premium amenities. These suites come with sea, pool, or garden views, while the oceanfront option provides breathtaking views of the Caribbean. Each includes a living area with a sofa bed, a balcony, and a bathroom with a whirlpool bath. For a truly unique experience, the 2-level rooftop junior suite features a terrace with sun loungers and a jacuzzi. The Privileged Rooftop Junior Suite elevates this stay with extra services and amenities. Next, let's explore the dining options. Ocean Coral Spring offers a diverse selection of dining and drink options, providing you with a rich culinary experience. They feature a mix of buffet and a la carte restaurants, serving flavors from around the world. Martha's Market, the main buffet, boasts a variety of international dishes with live cooking stations for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Those seeking specialty cuisine can enjoy a selection of themed restaurants, each delivering a distinct and memorable dining experience. La Locanda serves traditional Italian dishes in an elegant setting, while Sakura provides an exciting teppanyaki grill experience with expertly prepared Japanese cuisine. Thali showcases a flavorful selection of Indian dishes, and Sugarcane highlights authentic Jamaican and Caribbean specialties. Route 66 delivers classic American barbecue favorites, while Red Snapper, located right on the beach, offers a relaxed atmosphere with fresh seafood and tropical flavors. For an authentic Jamaican experience, the Jamaican Jerk Grill serves flavorful jerk chicken and other grilled favorites. In addition to the restaurants, Ocean Coral Spring boasts multiple bars and casual snack spots. The sports bar is a great place to enjoy drinks while watching live games on big screens, and the lobby bar offers a relaxing vibe for cocktails. Pool and beach bars provide refreshing beverages throughout the day, allowing you to sip tropical cocktails while soaking up the sun. Mike's Coffee specializes in gourmet coffee, tea, and pastries, while the ice cream shop is perfect for cooling off with a sweet treat. For Privilege members, a dedicated lounge and a la carte restaurant offers a more refined dining experience, with premium menu selections and top-shelf drinks. Guests can also unwind at the Disco Bar, which features vibrant nightlife, or visit the Bowling Bar to sip drinks while enjoying a round of bowling. From elegant dining to casual bites and poolside drinks, the resort ensures that every meal is a key part of the getaway. Now, let's take a look at all the things you can do here. Ocean Coral Spring offers a wide range of activities, ensuring that guests of all ages have plenty to do throughout their stay. The hotel's lagoon-style pool is a highlight, providing stunning sea views with sun loungers lining the terrace. A separate splash park keeps children entertained with fountains and water features, while a lazy river with a gentle current and small waterfalls provides a relaxing way to float around the property. Those staying in Privileged Suites have access to a private beach area, complete with exclusive sun loungers and personalized drink service. Water activity enthusiasts can enjoy an excellent selection of non-motorized sports, including kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling. For an extra charge, you can take part in motorized water sports like jet skiing and parasailing. The Patty Dive Center offers scuba courses and guided dives to explore the Caribbean's underwater world. Sports and fitness enthusiasts have plenty of ways to stay active, with access to 2 tennis courts, a multi-sports court, and a 24-hour gym, making it easy to keep up with workouts. The daytime activity program includes a mix of high-energy and low-impact options such as beach volleyball, Zumba, yoga, aerobics, and boccia. Foam parties bring a fun social vibe, while the bowling alley, open daily from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m., offers entertainment with a bar. Table tennis and a pool table provide casual gaming options. Like what you see? Check the link below to secure the best price for your stay. With a full refund policy, you can reserve now and pay later with peace of mind. Evenings here are filled with entertainment. The Showtime Theater features a rotating schedule of different shows, cabaret performances, and reggae bands, while live music and dance performances keep the energy high. Beach parties add to the excitement, and Saturday nights on the boulevard bring a unique vibe to the area. For those looking to keep the energy going late into the night, the disco is open from 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. Families with children will find plenty of activities to keep younger ones engaged. The Daisy Club, designed for kids aged 4 to 12, includes a range of supervised activities led by a professional team, such as sports, games, and a mini disco with the resort's mascot, Daisy. There's also a playground and a games room for more independent play. The water park and family pool provide additional spaces for children to have fun in a safe and exciting environment. Teenagers have their own space to relax, with a dedicated teen club for ages 13 to 17. The area includes a video game room, sports tournaments, and activities designed specifically for this age group. If you're seeking relaxation and wellness, the Despacio Spa Center is the perfect spot. It's a full-service spa offering massages, facials, and personalized beauty treatments. The facility is home to an indoor pool, jacuzzi, sauna, and steam bath, providing the perfect environment to unwind. Outdoor massages are available for anyone who prefers a more natural setting. The spa's beauty salon provides hair and nail treatments, along with waxing and Ayurvedic therapies. Throughout the day and night, the resort's Blue Team entertainment staff keeps the energy high, organizing a mix of games, sports, and performances. Whether it's an impromptu beach volleyball match, an aerobics class, or a live music performance, there's always something happening. Now, we'll share an honest and unbiased review of the Ocean Coral Spring Jamaica. As our loyal subscribers are aware, we don't accept payment to promote or endorse any properties, meaning we can keep our content as neutral and honest as possible. With that in mind, we'd really appreciate your support. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. We also recommend pausing on each review to take in all the details and get a better understanding of what to expect. Ocean Coral Spring in Jamaica holds a 4.6-star rating on Google and a 4-star rating on TripAdvisor, which is quite impressive. Let's begin with the positives, which guests widely praised. The variety of entertainment options, such as the bowling alley, water park, and lazy river, consistently stood out, making visitors feel satisfied and entertained throughout their stay. Staff attention to detail was also frequently highlighted, with some guests even writing entire reviews about one specific staff member who provided exceptional service, underscoring the high quality of customer care. The overall atmosphere was described as clean, well-maintained, and orderly. However, it's important to provide a balanced perspective. While the majority of reviews were positive, there were a few neutral points. Several reviews mentioned that the food was not up to their expectations, with some describing it as average. They found themselves seeking out other cuisine options. This was a slight recurring comment, though not widespread. That being said, many guests, including even picky eaters, praised the food and found something they liked, so it's clear that opinions on the culinary experience vary. Despite these mixed opinions about the food, the overall sentiment is overwhelmingly positive. Several reviewers noted that they had visited the resort 8 times, and others stated they would definitely return. This indicates that Ocean Coral Spring is generally regarded as a fantastic destination for a memorable vacation experience. That wraps up our overview of this destination. If it seems like the perfect fit for your trip, check the links below for the best rates and refund policy details for added flexibility. Still exploring options? Our video on the top all-inclusive resorts in Jamaica offers more great choices. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy travels!